Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to create an executable file using WinRAR or convert it into a .exe file. This will make it easier to download files without the need to have WinRAR or any other software installed. To get started, simply right-click on the folder or file you want to make execute. Then select the option that says Add to Archive. Here you will see various compression options for this format. You can choose the RAR format, but I recommend leaving it in the standard format. To make it execute, all you need to do is select Create a self-extracting archive in the compression option, then click OK. As you can see, we now have an execute file ready to use. To run it, simply double-click, and you will see it appear like this. Click Extract, and the folder you had compressed will automatically be extracted. Well, friends, that's all for today. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be back soon with more content. Thank you very much for your attention.